Hi guys, tayo magluto today ulit. Ang ating vlog ay luto-luto ulit dahil pauwi na si Mister. Ang ingay ng plastic. And gusto ko na itong lutuin bago siya dumating. Ang baby namin ay gising. Nandun binaba ko muna sa sala. Kasi pag hindi ko siya binaba, wala akong magagawa. Hindi ako makakapagluto. Katulad kahapon. Slicing ko na tong fish para malagyan ko na ng salt. Ang tigas. Okay na to. Hatiin ko lang siya sa dalawa. So, si Mr. guys, ay hindi yan masyadong mahilig sa fish. Pero dahil nga itong sibas na binibili namin na isda, ay hindi masyadong matinik. Kaya napapakain ko na siya ngayon. Babad ko lang muna yan sa salt para lumasa. Iwain ko na rin tong chicken, guys. Magigisa ako, mag-chop suey. Hindi naman siya totally chop suey. Gulay na halo-halo ang lulutuin ko. Kapartner nitong fish. Para may gulay din kami. Kakainis dito talaga ang kutsilyo. Sobrang purol. Gusto ko sana yung bato na panghasa. Kaso wala akong nakikita dito. Ito yung aming baby doon sa kanyang Mr. Stingray. Lagyan ko lang siya ng music. Gustuhin ko mang kunin ng aking baby. Hindi kasi ako makakapagluto. Pag dinala ko siya dito, hindi ako makakapag-slice. Pag na-slice ko na to, pwede ko na siyang kargahin. Pero dahil hindi ko pa na-slice yung mga gulay, bango na siya doon. Ang bango talaga ng celery. Sasama ko sa gisa itong spring onion para malasa. Tsaka sibuyas. Hindi naiyak guys ang aming baby. Medyo naiyak na ulit. Naiinis na ulit ang aming baby. Nabubwisit siya. Wala yatang nakikita. Hindi ko kasi siya pinapanood ng TV. Masyado kasing maliwanag yung screen. Kaya laptop yung ginagawan, piniplay ko ng video para mag-play yung music. Niisip ko na siyang ilagay sa car seat, guys. Ang aking babing iyakin. Luma na yung aming broccoli, oh. Medyo lanta na. Hindi ko agad naluto. Pangit na. Pangit na yung broccoli. Hindi ko na isasama. Tayo yung mag-gisa na, guys. So, ito aking gagamitin ulit para malaki-laki. Magigisa lang ako bago kunin ng aking baby. Or kukunin ko na. Kunin natin. Iyak na guys ang baby. Mamaya na ako magluluto. Kawawa naman. Pinaiyak muna. Ay, sus, tawa. Pinaiyak muna. Hindi na kasi nakasalo. Kaya ako naligalit. Hello? Say hello ikaw. Hello! Hello, hello! Ang ligalig. Hindi natutulog. At dahil ayaw niyang matulog, guys, mamaya tayo magluluto. Nag-iyak-iyak na ang baby. Nag-iyak-iyak. Ayaw matulog. Ayaw po matulog ng bata. Gusto mong magdede? Parang gusto mo dumede ng aking baby, guys. Gusto niya yatang mag-milk. Hello. Say hello ikaw. Timpla natin ng milk muna. Dede, ikaw. Gusto ng milk ng batang iyon. Iyakin naman. Paano tayo makakaluto? Finish mo tong dede mo, ha. 1. Sige, ikaw. 2. 3. Antok na eh. Ayaw mo kasing mag-sleep. Kaya ikaw naglilig-galig. Hindi siya masyadong natutulog talaga. Kaya iyakin. Medyo mainit. Parang gusto ko na iprito ang ating fish. Yan, dito ng iyong papa. Palamigin ko konti, guys. Medyo mainit siya. Magsalang ako ng kawali. Fry ko yung ating fish. Sira natin ang pinto. Ang bigat mo. Prituhin ko na yung fish para maganda-ganda ang ating pagka-fry. Hindi minadali. Use oil lang ang aking gagamitin kasi sayang. Hello. Gusto ko pati kasi pag nagpiprito, lalo pag fish is medyo lubog. Na para matusta-tusta. Maglagay na tayo ng oil. Itong mga oil na to, guys, mga pinagprituhan ng chicken, tsaka lumpia. So, yan. Painitin natin yan. Tago-tago. Ay, ang bigat. Saing na tayo, guys. Tignan ko, guys, kung dedede itong batang ito. Or baka hindi siya nagugutom. Dede ka na. Dede. Nagugutom. Tayo mag-fried na. Rigo po. Ikaw mabigat. Tayo mag-gisa na din, guys. At itong batang to ay walang planong magpababa. Nagigisa na rin ako. Tayo magsaing muna. Doon ang kanyang papa. Hi! She just fall asleep. Just now. She don't want to sleep again. Oh.
She's tried to keep awake and then ended up falling asleep.
Yeah. She's crying badly.
I showed Laura. I said,
What?
I showed her the hot dog. She's stolen it from you.
Kapahawak na sa papa. Yeah, she don't want to sleep. She asking for dede, but she don't want. She wants being carried. What is
My
that?
apple.
Apple?
Oh no, not fish.
You like that fish, isn't it?
No, it's fish.
Yeah, it is. Nakatulog na.
Have you warmed it up?
No, it's 20 earlier, so
It's just, you put it on.
yeah. Because I put her some tights inside because when I about to change her nappies, her feet is so cold. So I decided to press it because I checked it was 20, not 19.
Cold outside, you see.
I think it's only 4 degrees.
Yeah, maybe less.
Less now. Lagay na natin tong spring onion. Kawawa naman, nakatulog na. Lagay na natin ang chicken, guys. Kamayin ko din para hindi masama yung tubig. Ha? Ano daw? Ko naintindihan. Gusto to ni Mr. Guys gulay. Yan natin pampalasa. Ganyan ang itsura, guys. Oh. Lagay na natin ang carrots. Kunin na natin ang ating fish, guys. Parang tustang-tusta na to. Eh? See? I told you. Maybe she wants the dede. She's asking for dede earlier.
I'm not sure the nut is a bit wet. I want a cup of tea. This is good.
Okay, I'm later. The rice is boiling.
Which I won't do, I need now.
Have to boil it there.
I'm having a big tea blanket while I'm waiting then, since I can't have a cup of tea.
I'm gonna boil you some there. Iyan ko na, konting water lang. Told you, she don't want to sleep.
I need to get some milk tomorrow, yeah?
And grapes.
You want me to work for Amazon or not?
No, Saturday we're going to look for Christmas tree.
On Sunday?
Saturday.
Where?
Because good weather on Saturday. I think home bargains. Because when I look on my
Home Bargains,
previous-
I'll be in them. Home Bargains.
we can look around
Home Bargains is in Leyland, isn't it?
because when I look on
Oh,
my
we could go to McDonald's as well.
no, not that home bargain. Home bargain where we get the
Oh,
Chloe's
that's me then.
toys.
Home Bargains is at where you got the toy for Chloe.
Yeah. So we can look around there also.
Oh, so we can buy donuts then.
Yeah. Because on Saturday there's a bit good weather. I think it's gonna be cloudy. Unlike Sunday, there's a chance of rain. I look ready.
Already?
Ready.
With your Singaporean accent.
Ready. Yeah. It's very useful for Singaporeans. Already.
Mhm. What do you think, madam?
Let it boil.
I'm not sure. What she
Oh
says.
no. Hello. Hi. Hi. No. You're not happy with Mama? She have tights inside. Oh, it's cold. Her feet.
Mm.
That's why I turn on the heater.
No, but that's why it shows you have to do it. Just so if you push the button at 1 o'clock, you get till 4 o'clock.
Yeah.
But then it comes on at 4:30,
For until
10:30. Well, it might come
evening.
on at 4. Are you warm enough in the morning or too warm?
In the morning.
Because
No,
I
it's-
put the heater on in the bedroom at 22 in the morning, but 20 at night. So the
Oh,
heating's
that's
on.
why it's warm in the morning.
Yeah.
It's okay.
If you don't want it to be warm, I can turn it off.
Yeah.
But I thought it might be nice to help you sleep if you're both warm. Because I'm not there keeping you warm, if you know what I mean. So I told Laura, I said, I woke up this morning with the hot dog next to me, and then I looked over, and Hazel's right at the edge of the bed, and between Hazel and the hot dog is this.
This one. Yeah, she must be sleepy. She's not sleeping. Seriously, I told you every day. I don't know why. I think she's adjusting because she can see everything now. She's almost 3 months. She's multitasking, trying to memorize all over the place, the walls, every ceiling, every light.
How many times did you wake up last night?
Oh,
Once, twice?
I think twice. No, what happened
So
is...
she's sleeping better.
No, what happened is when she slept about 10, she walks up around 2. Is it 2? I think so, 2. Yeah, because I counted 4 hours. And then, did she finish her milk? Yeah, I think she finished her milk. And then woke up around 4. 4:45 before you get up. It's nice now. I can put the leaf.
She's falling asleep and smiling.
I'm finished. Lalagay ko na to, guys. Masarap na siya. Luto na din ang rice. Pwede na kaming kumain maya-maya. Ganyan ang itsura niya, guys. Oh, medyo may sauce or may sabaw ng kaunti. Ang ganda yan para sa rice. But then, okay na yan. Luto na siya. Hindi ako nagsaing ng masyadong madami ngayon. Dahil may gulay naman. Mabigat din sa tiyan ng gulay. So, ito ang ating fish. Mukha naman siyang natusta. Kasi mas gusto ko sa fish talaga, medyo tosta. And then, ito ang ating vegetables. It's still a bit warm, so it's fine. She happy? She's smiling?
He knows what's going on, I think.
Come to mama. Her neck.
You got it?
You must be hungry, isn't it? Come to mama. Hello. Hello. This is your dede. Not hot, isn't it? Oh no, it's cooled down already. It's okay. She's hungry. Gutom na gutom. Hello.